How to grow hair fast in 5 days with banana remedies. We all love bananas. These delicious and super healthy tropical fruits are loaded with healthy nutrients and they can provide many health benefits. Bananas are loaded with vitamins A, B and C, very useful for our health. But did you know that you can use these tropical fruits to improve the health of your hair? Well, yes, bananas will prevent the hair loss and boost a healthy hair grow. Your hair will grow like crazy. What causes hair loss? Well, the medical experts claim that hair loss is usually related with many risk factors and reasons such as stress, pregnancy, menopause, weight loss, etc. But other reasons can promote and speed up the hair loss as well. You should know that it's completely normal for your body to react to all stressful situations, but the bad thing is that its reaction often causes hair loss. Stress can also cause a hormonal imbalance and lead to excessive hair loss. This problem can affect your self-esteem and make you insecure and withdrawn. It can also make you spend a lot of money on expensive hair products and treatments which often don't live up to your expectations. This is why you shouldn't buy these expensive hair and cosmetic products, because you can get the same effects with this all-natural ingredient. In this video we are going to show you how to make the most powerful home remedy against hair loss, and its main ingredient is banana. This homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make. You will need 1 banana. Mash it in order to make a paste. Then you need to apply the paste on your hair and leave it on for 20 minutes. After that you need to rinse it with warm water and mild shampoo. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Secret recipe to grow your hair and see results in just 2 days. All women want their hair to be thick, long and strong, but we all know that the hair products in the stores can cost a lot of money. What if we tell you that you don't have to spend too much money to make your hair thick and healthy? In this video we are going to show you how to make this simple but extremely useful recipe to stop hair loss and to make your hair strong and healthy. This extremely useful recipe has been around for ages and many people in the world claim that it actually works. This homemade recipe will stop the hair loss process and it's very simple and easy to make. All you need is 3 ingredients which you already have in your kitchen. Here's what you need to do. The most effective hair loss recipe. Ingredients: cinnamon, olive oil, honey. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to heat the olive oil and add the cinnamon and the honey in the oil. Stir well. Now you need to use this mixture to massage your hair and leave it on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you need to rinse with warm water and repeat the procedure for the next few days. You will be amazed by the results. Your hair will stop falling and it will be stronger and healthier. You should definitely try this recipe against hair loss, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share with your friends and family. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.